What we're going to do is the last activity, which is uh, aim exploration, make at least three instances and have them access with one IP address. So for this to happen, I created a three three instances and I terminated this one because I don't need it anymore. So ang gagawin natin dyan is having them access one IP address. So bale, gagawin natin dyan is ito yung magiging access nitong dalawa. Okay? So paano natin yun gagawin? First, let's create an elastic IP. So here, nakikita nyo, naka-create na ako ng isang elastic IP address. Kung paano gumawa ng elastic IP address, just click here and uh, allocate. Click allocate. Okay? So, print screen na muna natin yan. Full screen. Copy natin yan dyan. So, pagkatapos makreate nyan, ito na. Magkakaroon na tayo ng elastic IP address. Okay? Next natin gagawin is just click action and associate elastic IP address. Okay? So, choose the instance that you're going to associate it with. Okay? So, click nyo lang yan. Pwede kayong mamili. Katulad yan, mayroon naman na yung pangalan dito. So, i-click ko yung instance 1 kasi tapos ko nang mai-connect, mai-associate tong elastic IP address na to sa inst32. Okay? So, sa inst1 naman. So, just click allow. Print screen natin yan. Okay. So, next is click associate. So, makikita nyo, tong IP na to, which is 1354.137.225 is mayroon na siya dito sa INS 1. Hintayin lang natin, ipakita. So, yun na. Mayroon na yung 1354.137 and 227. And, kung titignan nyo dito, meron ng parehas na sila ng IP address, yung INS1 and INS3-2. Okay? So, nakikita nyo naman, ganun gumawa ng, okay? So, pangatlo, ganun din ang gagawin natin. Okay? Just go to Elastic IPs and check nyo lang yan. Click to Actions, Associate, and click nyo lang tong INS2 and allow. Okay? Associate. And dun na kung paano natin magagawa. Check natin yung INS2. Tingin natin. At yun na nga, meron na silang magkakaibang ay magkakaparehong IP, public IP address. Okay? IPv4 address. Okay? So, ganun lang kung paano natin gagawin yun. Okay? Make at least 3 instances and have them access with one IP address. Okay? Ganun lang kung paano gumawa ng tatlong instances and having them one IP address. Okay. So, yun lang. Thank you. Kikita. Ayan. Ulitin natin. Ayan. Ayan. Okay. Gano'n lang kung paano natin 'yan gagawin. Okay, that's it.